What's up, class? Now we're going to go a little deeper into what we just learned and actually make our tube skyscraper model. Okay, so once again, new component. I'm going to actually name it skyscraper. Okay. Oh, I didn't want it to be part of that, so we got to unactivate the one we have. Okay, and then make a new component because we don't want it as a parent one. Okay. Oh, there we go. Get rid of that too. Okay, skyscraper. We want its own separate thing. Okay, and this is a step I always forget. Okay, you have to click the top one as the actual skyscraper. Okay, and so now before it was underneath this tree, but now it's its own separate thing. Okay, now everything we do will now be part of this. Okay, you notice the timeline's blank now because we're not dealing with this base. Okay, so we're going to start sketch. Okay, we're going to sketch on top of this face. Okay. Okay, so then we're gonna actually we want, so these sides aren't sketches right now, and we want them to be sketches. So go project, and click that thing, and now all of a sudden all of those faces, all those outlines are now sketches that we can use. Okay, and so we're gonna hit finish sketch, and now we're gonna just extrude this downwards, and we're gonna go negative base width once again. That's our old thing that and that creates the base. Okay, so that's the fixed support. Okay, that's how it's kind of connected to the base. And now we want to build up. Okay, so same idea. We're going to click the top face. Okay, click sketch. Okay, and then same thing, project, include, project. Now click that. Okay, gives us the outline. Okay, and then offset is a very useful tool. Click that whole thing, and we want to offset negative thickness. But I'm going to teach you something new before we do this. Okay, we're going to create a parameter. Before last time we had a dimension and we named it a parameter. Here, if you click here, you can actually create a parameter. Okay, and it's going to be thickness. It's going to be inches, and I'm going to make it 0.2 to start. Okay, and that's the thickness of the wall of our tube. Okay, and then I want to make another one, which is height. Okay, and be 12 inches. Okay, so then I hit OK, and then I go offset, click there. I'm going to go, you see how it's going out is positive. I want to go negative thickness to bring it in. Then hit OK, and now we have our profile, which we can then use to extrude. So then go to extrude, click this, and we're going to extrude it height, okay, which we already have set. Okay. And all these parameters can become really important in our second part of the design where we add windows, okay? So just kind of bear with me for that, okay? Now we have both. I'm going to go back and click activate the whole file, okay? You can see how they're both acting together, okay? We don't need to see that origin anymore, okay? But now we need to change the material property. So right click base, okay, and say physical material. You might be like, why do we need to change the physical material in Fusion? So we can actually analyze it and simulate it. That's very, very important. Okay, if you remember elastic modulus E, which is the stiffness of the material, is something that's linked to all these materials. Okay, and so if we're going to actually simulate and see how it's actually going to behave due to the stress, we need to have the correct material. So ABS plastic is what we would print with for printing. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to throw that and just drag it onto both these and then hit close. Okay, so now both of these have that ABS plastic, so when we simulate it, which we're going to do in the next video, okay, it's going to behave as if it was a 3D printed part, which is really cool. So save it. Okay, user saved, and that concludes this video, which dealt with the design of the actual tubed skyscraper model.